Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. So if you want to turn off two-step verification, that is when you try to log into Roblox and it makes you verify it by either using an authenticator or your email or your phone number, and you want to turn that off. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So keep in mind that this method works for both mobile and PC. It might look a little bit different on mobile, but it's still the same method and you still go to the same locations. So first, let's head over to Roblox. If you haven't logged into Roblox yet, you might have to log in real quick. But once you're logged into Roblox, you'll be brought to your home page here. Now from your home page, you're going to want to click on the settings icon or go to the settings. So look for settings on Roblox, and once you find settings, you're just going to want to click on it. Once you go to settings, you're going to be brought to this page here. And from this page, what you are going to want to do, you want to look for your out of these options are here. You want to look for security out of the settings options. Now once you find the security options, you're going to want to click on it and you'll be brought to this page here that's going to say two-step verification. It should be at the top of the page on security, but if it isn't, you might have to scroll down a bit. Now once you're on two-step verification, you're going to want to look for which of these options are turned on. As you can see, authenticator app is turned off for me, but it might be turned on for you if that's what you use to two-step verify it. Email is turned on for me, but it might not be turned on for you. Just check and check which one it's turned on for. Now once you have found which one is turned on for, you're just going to want to toggle it off. It's going to ask if you turn off two-step verification, your account will be less secure and only your password will be needed for actions like logging in. Are you sure? You just click confirm, and once you click confirm, it's going to say it sent you a email or a code to your email. So you're going to have to go to your email real quick and grab the code. Let me do that real quick. Okay, for some reason it isn't sending the code, so I'm going to resend the code one more time. As you can see, if it doesn't send you the code, you can just click resend code. And let me go back and grab the code real quick. There we go. I now have the code and I pasted it in. Now I click verify. And it's going to turn off their two-step verification. You can go back and turn it on whenever you want, but that is how you turn it off. That is how you turn off two-step verification on Roblox. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. If you have any questions you have in the comment section below, I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.